Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying I subscribed. Let's get into it.
Dassault Aviation to launch MRO subsidiary in India to boost military support. French aerospace company, Dassault Aviation had decided to create a subsidiary company, Dassault Aviation MRO India, dedicated to its military maintenance, repair and overall MRO activities in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. According to the company press release on 25 September, the subsidiary company would be created under the Atmanirbhar Bharat policy, contributing to India's self-reliance and promoting indigenous value-added services. Dassault Aviation has decided to create a company dedicated exclusively to maintenance, repair and overall of its military activities. This company, Dassault Aviation MRO India, incorporated in India and based in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, is a subsidiary of Dassault Aviation, the release stated. Created under the Atmanirbhar Bharat policy to contribute to India's self-reliance and promote indigenous value-added services, Dassault Aviation MRO India will benefit from Dassault Aviation's technological expertise and offer new opportunities for cooperation and collaboration with the aim of becoming a key player in participating to a full-fledged aero defense ecosystem in India, it added. The company stated that it is committed to meeting the needs of the Indian Air Force and would offer tailor-made products and services to support its Mirage 2000 fleet and the fighter aircraft supplied by Dassault Aviation in India. It is committed to meeting the needs of the Indian Air Force by offering tailor-made products and services to support its Mirage 2000 fleet and, more broadly, the fighter aircraft supplied by Dassault Aviation in India, in order to guarantee the best possible responsiveness and efficiency in fulfilling its requirements, the company further stated. The company said that this new step shows Dassault Aviation's commitment to make its presence in India and would provide a significant industrial input to positioning India as an international aerospace supplier under the Make in India policy and a full commitment to the Skill India initiative through the implementation of training and education programs towards success and to contribute to India's strategic vision for its future. The French company has delivered over 10,000 military and civil aircraft, including 2,700 Falcons, to more than 90 countries over the last century and has built up an expertise recognized worldwide in the design, development, sale and support of all types of aircraft, ranging from the Rafale fighter to the high-end Falcon family of business jets, military drones and space systems. In 2023, Dassault Aviation reported Euro 4.8 billion in revenue. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.